If you are searching for the right business bank account, you have probably come across Relay. Many business owners ask the same question: how does Relay actually compare to other banks, and is it worth switching to? In this video, I will break it all down clearly, comparing Relay with traditional banks and popular online business banking options, so you can decide if it is the right fit for your business. Let us start with what Relay is. Relay is an online business banking platform designed mainly for small businesses, startups, and freelancers. It is not a traditional bank branch you walk into. Instead, it focuses on digital tools, automation, and financial organization. Relay works with FDIC-insured partner banks, so your funds are protected, just like with a traditional bank. Now let us compare Relay with traditional banks first. Traditional banks usually offer business checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and credit products. However, many small business owners struggle with high monthly fees, minimum balance requirements, and limited customer support unless they visit a branch. Relay stands out here because it offers no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a fully online setup. Opening a Relay account is faster compared to most traditional banks, which can take days or even weeks. Another major difference is account organization. With traditional banks, you often get one main checking account and maybe a savings account. Relay allows you to create multiple checking accounts under one business profile. This is extremely helpful if you want to separate money for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, or savings without opening multiple bank accounts at different institutions. Many business owners choose Relay specifically for this feature because it simplifies financial management. Next, let us compare Relay to other online business banks like Mercury, Novo, and Bluevine. These platforms also target startups and small businesses, so the comparison is important. Relay focuses heavily on cash flow clarity and team-based access. You can assign roles and permissions to team members, bookkeepers, or accountants without sharing your main login details. This level of control is not always available, or is limited on some other platforms. When it comes to fees, Relay is competitive. Like many online business banks, it does not charge monthly maintenance fees. However, Relay does not currently offer interest-bearing checking accounts, while some competitors like Bluevine may offer interest on balances. If earning interest on idle cash is your top priority, Relay may not be the strongest option. On the other hand, if your focus is clean bookkeeping and expense separation, Relay performs very well. Another key comparison point is integrations. Relay integrates smoothly with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This makes it easier to track expenses and reconcile accounts. Traditional banks often lack deep integrations, forcing business owners to manually track transactions. Compared to other online banks, Relay's accounting-focused features are one of its strongest selling points, especially for business owners who want fewer accounting headaches. Now let us talk about payments and transactions. Relay allows ACH transfers, wire transfers, and debit card usage. However, it does not support cash deposits, which can be a deal-breaker for cash-heavy businesses. Traditional banks still win in this area because they allow cash and check deposits at physical branches. If your business handles a lot of physical cash, Relay may not be suitable. But for online businesses, service providers, and digital entrepreneurs, this limitation is usually not an issue. Customer support is another important comparison. Traditional banks often rely on branch visits and long phone queues. Relay provides online and email-based support, which many users find responsive and business-focused. While it does not offer in-person support, the overall experience tends to be smoother for tech-savvy business owners. Security is often a concern when switching banks. Relay uses bank-level encryption and security measures, and funds are FDIC insured through partner banks. In practical terms, this puts Relay on the same safety level as most traditional and online banks. So who should choose Relay over other banks? Relay is ideal for small business owners who want simple, organized banking without fees. It is especially useful for businesses that need multiple checking accounts, team access controls, and easy accounting integration. Freelancers, agencies, consultants, and startups often benefit the most from Relay's structure. On the other hand, if your business needs loans, credit lines, interest-earning accounts, or physical branch access, a traditional bank or another online business bank may be a better choice. Relay is not trying to be everything at once. It focuses on doing core business banking very well.